high-frequency multi-layer laminating machine, the quality of cold pressing, the efficiency of hot pressing, using instant dry technology. Wooden veneers up to 12 mm in thickness can easily penetrate and heat. The unique penetrating characteristics of the high-frequency electric field can evenly heat the entire board and can also realize simultaneous heating of the upper and lower sides. Low-temperature hot pressing method, so that the multi-layer laminated wood board is not easy to form and deform. PLC one-button operation, simple and convenient, adjustable workpiece size. The pressing cycle only takes about 50 seconds. Save time, effort and salary. Online pressure holding technology. Saving energy consumption with the efficiency of hot pressing. The pressing of multi-layer wood boards can achieve the stability of cold pressing. Material can be fed and discharged by means of passage. Material preparation and pressing can be carried out at the same time, and it can also be directly connected to the production line. It can also use the reciprocating method to feed and discharge materials to realize double station operation and double the efficiency. The heating is completed at one time, without repeated heating in sections, and the production line occupies a smaller area. Lamination process for paint-free wooden doors, paint-free office countertops, and 3-layer wood boards. The quality of cold pressing, the efficiency of hot pressing.